tuck it in, or you can tie it. You can tie them together, and that would look cute too. And then you have your final product. Look at these. This I got at the Goodwill, y'all, for 50 cents. It was somebody's bouquet from a wedding. And I was like, oh, I can use that and put it in a bottle. And there you have it.
Wow. This is very mindful though, Charmin, for sure, because I see how like Brittany is getting into it. And
see that. She's focused.
She's focused. Exactly. She's being present on what she's doing. Like real life mindfulness.
And I will tell y'all too, I was mindful of the way I felt because I was using my other hand and it wasn't, my hand was hurting. So I had to switch it up. So now I'm on a roll.
Look at that.
I was mindful of my body for sure.
I love that.
All right, let me see. Okay, Brittany, I can see yours. Let me see yours, Janine. Looking good. Let me see yours, Courtney.
I'm right here. The twine. I'm trying my best. I'm going to have to put some flowers in the spaces that have gaps.
I'll show you. Kind of walk around the house. Okay.